Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How to use these AIs. Open WhatsApp. Go to Discover AIs. And select any AI you want. For example, if you want to create an image, select AI images. And send your prompt like a girl with makeup. If you need translation, use the Translate AI. Tips and ideas for content. If you create content for YouTube or other platforms, these AI tools can help you make great content. In IQ Testing Pro, you can test your brain intelligent you are. Here you challenge your brain, how smart you are. This AI gives you fun IQ questions to test how smart you are. You can play with logic, puzzles, and even share your scores with friends. These AIs also help you in coding. Search the word coding in search bar. Here's the all coding AIs, you can chat with them.